Black rain storm. See, zero visibility almost because of the black rain. Black rain storm. Cannot see now the airport. Ito ang view dito ngayon sa amin dahil sa lakas ng ulan because of the typhoon. Wala nang makita. Overlooking. Cannot see na the airport. Foggy. See, this is the building. Di na clear sa taas. Wala na. Rain storm. Black rain. Storm signal. Heavy rain. See? Foggy. Di na makita ang airport.